Let me collect my thoughts. This feels deep. But with me, deep got balance. Look, I could talk about a girl, could talk about the world, could talk about my finances, how I move the work. You heard it all before, so I'd rather sell it pure. But I'm balanced, so that's gonna come along with lots of dirt. It's a show that they give us as an entertainer. I'm a victim of it, but I never strain for favor. Put a little sauce on it to engage a flavor. So I know when gums flat, that's a way to savor. Sprinted most of my life, wasting energy on undeserving. Found my pace, now marathons I run without deterrent. Still conserve some energy, reserves for crabs and hermits. Need a permit to carry, why bother with the worthless? I play spades shirtless, naked with my hand shown. Curses in cursive, written with my hand bow. Never talk too much, especially on a landfall. Secrets in the closet, mine on my damn nose. Even when I lie, I tell the truth like I'm Pacino. Scarface, but I'm more like Ace in that casino. Dinero by the plenty, dinero want it mucho. I don't give a fuck, I'll take it if it's sucio. Rid myself of earthly things, retired up in Pluto. The man, understand, I'm no man, I'm the new Hove. It's me, godly divine, it's me. I'm God. When I question what is great, really questioning myself. I bow before God, now I'm never short of wealth. The simple mind will think I'm talking money, that's for self. I put a lot of fabric on my shelf. I know you won't get it yet. For years you'll hear my music, no I'll never settle death. No, not talking settle debt. Money ain't the only thing, you'll know it when you level breath.
What is soul?
For me, it's my life. It was my opportunity, it was my knock on the door. It was my only guarantee I had. It's still my only guarantee. Soul is spiritual, soul is true. Soul is realism. Soul is survival.